Hi there, I'm Darryl Williams from Python Bytes, and in the previous tutorials I showed you how to install Python 2.7 and WX Python 2.8.12.1 on a USB stick. So you can run Python 2 from the USB stick. So now the USB stick is plugged in to my laptop, and my laptop, I'll just type in here idle. Okay, there's idle 3.6, and once it opens up, okay, so I have Python 3.6.1 on my laptop, and if I go import WX and then go WX version, the version I have is version 4, and notice here it is Phoenix. When I go here, this is my winpython USB stick plugged in. I go in here, and the version I have is Python 2.7.12. Open that up, and I have a folder called My Projects, and then here I've got bioconstructor projects, idle, flask, WX form builder, and XRCed. Now down the bottom here I have a file called XRCed.pyw. If you have a W on the PYW, that means it will run, you just double click and it will run on Windows. Here is the file, and here is the file. Now this here, you use that for Linux, so I just put that on there anyway. And then it's from wx.tools.xrced import main, and then I saved that here in my XRCed folder. Okay, so and there it is down the bottom. Now to make it run, we go in here and right click and go copy text. I've got a notebook here, so I go CD, means change directory, Control V to paste. Okay, we do that so that it will run Python execute. So down here we would go python.exe space, and then my projects, XRCed, and then we right click, and that is where this is located. So you go to Notepad and we paste / and we go XRCed. You can name this anything you want, and that's WRCed, XRCed POW. Okay, then I save that, go into Win, into here, and there is an old one that I wrote, so I'll just take out BK, which is backup. So we highlight this, copy it, and then we go in here. Okay, so if you go the winpython USB, open this here, and we want to open this command prompt, the winpython command prompt. So double click that, and then right click with the mouse, and there we go, change directory. There it is, we've changed the directory, and then we copy this text here, which will run Python execute and then run XRCed So go right click and then run, and this takes about a minute. I timed it and it takes about a minute. Oh, it's quicker. Okay, and there we go. XRCed on Python 3, and there we go. There is idle with the default Python version on my laptop, Python 3, and now I'm running XRCed on the USB stick, which runs to Python 2.7. So that means I can now design WXPython GUIs using XRC files on Python 3. Okay, that's it for this tutorial. I hope it's been helpful. Now that we've got to this point where we've actually started XRCed, we will then be able to go into the next step of building GUIs and using the various widgets in WXPython, and I'll explain how to do all of that using XRCed, which generates XRC files. My name's Darryl Williams from Python Bytes. If you have any questions or comments that you wish to leave in regards to this video, please leave it below the video on YouTube and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Till the next tutorial, have a good day. Goodbye.